the changes or the impact, what could that potentially mean for a company that could be shipping a variety of commodities, that are now sliding to a different density or are moving from a singular class over to the density scale?
Right. So, honestly, it could just mean higher freight costs, right? We know costs of freight are going up and up every year. And so that eats into margin. Some of those customers that are doing these singular freight models, right? They've just been class 70 for the last 10 years. That could all of a sudden change to class 125, based on the density scale. And, all of a sudden you're raising your freight costs by 10 to 15%. That's just going to cut into your bottom line. And so, really you have to understand where that is so you can adjust your business and your profitability, your shipments pretty quickly, or you're going to see the profit deterioration pretty quickly.